Hello students, this is Varun. As you can see that I have mentioned some areas like banking, games, playground, stock exchange, architecture. So what is the relation between these all areas? Well, in banking there is a lot of data, there is exchange of money, someone gives money, someone takes money, bank charges some interest, bank gives some interest. So in banking there is a lot of calculation work. If we talk about games, all the games have certain rules. In all the games scores are given, and for assessing results in the games there are some parameters which again require some sort of calculation. If we talk about playgrounds, playgrounds have a particular dimensions. If we talk about the tennis court or basketball court, they have a particular shape, they have particular dimensions. Within that ground many geometrical shapes are there. So next we move to stock exchange. Stock exchange deals with shares. Sometimes it is at profit side, sometimes some shares at loss. Architecture is more about mappings, shapes of buildings, proportions in which various raw materials are used in the buildings. So you can see that all these areas use mathematics. Not only these areas, think about other areas and you will see that all the areas use mathematics. Means mathematics is everywhere, let it be nature. In nature, if we talk about plants, yes, plants has mathematics, animals has mathematics. You can find symmetry in plants as well as in animals. And if we talk about the flowering plants, then students, one thing that you need to know that the petals of all the flowers, they are either the multiple of 3 or they are the multiple of 5. That's why they are known as trimerous or pentamerous. So we can find mathematics everywhere. Even the rotation of earth, revolution of earth around the sun, motion of other planets around the sun, all are mathematical in nature. So mathematics is everywhere. So today we will discuss about some practical applications of mathematics. But before moving on, I want to discuss about few terms that we have done in junior classes as well. First is natural number. Natural numbers or counting numbers, one of the same thing. Again, natural numbers and counting numbers, one of the same thing, since counting starts from 1. So they are from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next we talk about whole numbers. All the natural numbers along with 0 makes set of whole numbers. Means all the natural numbers are included in whole numbers as well. Next we move to integers. All the natural numbers, their negatives separated by 0 forms a set of integers. Means integers include all the natural numbers, negatives of natural numbers which are separated by 0. So one thing is clear that all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is the whole number which is not natural. Next, all the natural numbers are integers, because all natural numbers are included in integers. All whole numbers are also integers, because all the whole numbers are included in integers. But all integers are not whole numbers, because whole numbers do not include negative numbers. Now let us move to some real life problems in mathematics. And the question is, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. While students, a cement company is there. It has two kinds of bags, one of white cement and other bag of grey cement. And on the sale of white cement bag, it earns a profit of rupees 8. And on the sale of grey cement bag, it incurs a loss of rupees 5. This is the situation. Now, company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is profit or loss? Means in a particular month, company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement, and we have to find whether company incurs profit or company incurs a loss. Now we start with, since on the sale of one bag of white cement there is profit of rupees 8, so on selling 3000 bags of white cement, how much will be profit? Of course we have to multiply, so we write profit on 3000 white cement bags equals to rupees 8 multiplied by 3000, that is equals to rupees 24,000. Since on selling one white bag it has a profit of rupees 8, so on selling 3000 bags, how much will be profit? It will be 8 multiplied by 3000, that is rupees 24,000. Now move to the next condition. On selling one grey bag, it incurs a loss of rupees 5. Then on selling 5000 grey bags, what will be loss? So let us write loss on 5000 grey bags, that is equals to rupees 5 multiplied by 5000 equals to rupees 25,000. Well students, now you can see that in a particular month profit is rupees 24,000 and loss is rupees 25,000. Since loss is more as compared to profit, so in total company incurs a loss. And how much is that loss? That is equals to the difference of 25,000 and rupees 24,000. So loss incurred equals to rupees 25,000 minus rupees 24,000, that is rupees 1,000. Means in that particular month company incurred a loss of rupees 1,000. Now one thing more is asked in the same question. In a particular month, if the company sells 6400 grey cement bags, then how many white cement bags be sold to have neither profit nor loss? Well students, first of all you need to understand that this is the case of neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss means if we have the profit of rupees 1000 and we have the loss of rupees 1000, then it becomes a case of neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss means when loss is equals to profit. Now let us move to the solution part. As we know that by selling one grey cement bag there is a loss of rupees 5, so on selling 6,400 grey cement bags, what will be the loss? So here we write loss on 6,400 grey cement bags equals to rupees 5 multiplied by 6,400, that is rupees 32,000. Means total loss is rupees 32,000 while selling 6,400 grey cement bags. But since this is the case of neither profit nor loss, it means loss is equals to profit. So we have to mention this thing, since profit earned is equal to loss incurred and loss incurred is rupees 32,000. So profit earned will also become rupees 32,000. So please listen again. Since this is the case of neither profit nor loss, neither profit nor loss means profit earned and loss incurred are same. Since loss incurred is rupees 32,000, so profit earned will also be rupees 32,000. That's why we have made this statement, profit earned is equals to loss incurred, which is rupees 32,000. Now we know that we get a profit of rupees 8 on selling one white cement bag. Profit of rupees 8 is earned on selling one white cement bag. So to get profit of rupees 32,000, how many white cement bags should be sold? So let us suppose that number of white cement bags sold is equals to X. So here we mention let number of white cement bags sold equals to X. We know that on one white cement bag there is profit of rupees 8. So on X bags, how much profit will be there? So profit on X white cement bags, that will be equals to rupees 8 into X, that is 8X. Also we know that profit on white bags is rupees 32,000, and here we have found that profit on white bags is 8X. It means 32,000 is equals to 8X. Since profit on white bags is rupees 32,000 as well as rupees 8X, that's why I'm going to equalize these two. So we will put 8X equals to 32,000, and we are concerned with the value of X. Now to find value of X, we have to shift A to right side, and by cross multiplication what will happen? X will become 32,000 divided by X. So on dividing it will become 4,000. So required number of white bags sold is equals to 4,000. That is our answer. So in this question we got two answers. For first part we get answer of first part is loss of rupees 1,000, and of second part of B part answer is 4,000 bags. Thank you.